If you forgot your screen password on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you can actually reset this watch without knowing your password. So what you have to do is just to turn it on your screen, and now you will have to click and hold both buttons, the home button and the down button. You will get this turn off screen. Keep holding until the screen turns off, and even keep holding a little bit longer. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, you will have to release both buttons and quickly double tap on the home button. So you will enter for the recovery mode. You will have to click on the home button to scroll and click and hold it to select recovery. Now we are waiting for the recovery mode. And right now, all you have to do is just to perform the factory reset. You will wipe all of your data, but this is the only way to bypass that forgotten screen lock. So we have to just scroll down like this by swiping. Let's try one more time. Just like this. Select wipe data factory reset and swipe to the left side. Now scroll to the factory data reset, swipe to the left side, and now the reset is almost finished. We have to just be patient and wait a little bit. Now we have to swipe to the left side to reboot system now. And right now your watch will turn on without the screen lock and you can set it up.